What if I told you that Wall Street just rolled out the red carpet for crypto? That's right. Coinbase is now officially part of the S&P 500, one of the most prestigious indexes in global finance. And that's not all. The mayor of New York City is speaking out in favor of crypto innovation. Meanwhile, the SEC is quietly laying the groundwork for tokenization, a move that could change how we invest forever. This isn't just crypto news. This is a signal that the future of finance is already here. So stay tuned, because what's happening right now could shape your portfolio and the global economy in ways we've never seen before. Let's start with the big headline. Coinbase has been added to the S&P 500 index. This move is monumental, not just for Coinbase, but for the entire crypto industry. For those who don't follow stock indexes closely, the S&P 500 is made up of 500 of the largest and most influential publicly traded companies in the US. It's a benchmark that investors all around the world look at. So what does this mean for crypto? It means mainstream finance is no longer just flirting with digital assets. It's now fully embracing them. When a company like Coinbase becomes part of such an elite group, it sends a clear message. Crypto is here to stay. Coinbase's inclusion reflects both its strong financials and its relevance in today's economic landscape. It's now going to be included in ETFs, index funds, pension portfolios, and that means more institutional money flowing into the space. That's a huge vote of confidence in crypto infrastructure. Now, this development ties in directly with another powerful story. New York City Mayor Eric Adams has once again thrown his support behind crypto and blockchain innovation. Despite regulatory uncertainty at the federal level, Mayor Adams is doubling down on making NYC a crypto-friendly city. He's been vocal about integrating crypto education into public schools, encouraging fintech growth, and attracting blockchain startups to the Big Apple. He recently spoke at a fintech event, emphasizing that blockchain isn't just a passing trend. It's the foundation of future government systems, identity verification, and even public service delivery. That's bold coming from the mayor of the world's financial capital. And if you've been paying attention, this is all happening while the SEC quietly makes moves toward tokenization. SEC Chair Gary Gensler, who has taken a hardline stance on certain cryptocurrencies, is also advocating for bringing traditional financial instruments like bonds and stocks onto the blockchain through tokenization. Tokenization is the process of converting real-world assets into digital tokens on a blockchain. Imagine buying a tokenized piece of real estate or a bond that settles in real time. That's where this is heading. While the SEC still battles crypto exchanges over compliance issues, they're also preparing the infrastructure for a tokenized financial future. Something even Wall Street giants like BlackRock and JP Morgan are exploring. Now let's connect the dots. With Coinbase now listed on the S&P 500, we're seeing a clear merging of traditional finance and digital assets. With NYC leaders pushing innovation and the SEC subtly laying groundwork for tokenization, the barriers that once separated crypto from mainstream finance are being dismantled in real time. This isn't just good news for investors holding coin stock. It's good news for anyone bullish on blockchain technology. It creates legitimacy, attracts capital, and encourages governments to adopt forward-thinking regulation. But let's be clear. These moves don't mean all regulatory tension is over. In fact, with more visibility comes more scrutiny. Coinbase is still facing battles with the SEC over what constitutes a security. The difference now is that it's doing it from inside the halls of legitimacy, not from the fringe. So what should you watch next? Keep an eye on ETF inflows. Index funds will now be buying Coinbase automatically. Watch for new legislation out of New York that supports crypto infrastructure. And most importantly, follow how the SEC handles tokenization standards. Because that will impact everything from real estate to retirement funds. We're entering a new era where crypto is no longer fighting to be noticed. It's becoming the backbone of the financial system. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to BizNance Hub for more updates on crypto, markets, and the future of finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.